What's up, you guys? I'm hoping you're doing well. This is the Bathroom Chronicles. The Bathroom Chronicles, you guys. I thought I'd do something different on here, you guys, tonight. My other wig I had on, I put that thing in the trash. I put that thing in the trash, you guys. Hopefully, it won't crawl out the trash. Subscribe, you guys. Come on and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Come on and become a channel member of my channel. Um, my current subscribers are a blessing. So anyway, doing something different. Don't have it sped up or anything. But came home. I told my husband, I'm like, look, when I get to the house, I'm gonna make me a new wig. The other wig need to be in the trash. So you guys, if you've been on my channel, if you've been a subscriber for a while, or if you're a client or a family member, friend, enemy, whatever you are, you know that I have worn the Afro wig for a while. I wore that thing till it can't be worn no more, or till it couldn't be. Of course I kept getting new Afro wigs, the Afro kinky. I was doing the Afro look for a while. And then I'm like, hold on, let me switch it on up. Hairstylists, we always switching stuff up, That's just me, I was kind of feeling that little Afro look though. It was kind of cute while it lasted, but I'm like, let me switch it up. So I did a straight wig, start wearing it straight. My own hair, you guys, as long as this wig. It's about the same length or a little bit longer. I have not pressed my hair out in forever. And but anyhow, so I told my husband, I said, look, I told him before I even got home, I said, look, when I get home, I'm gonna make me a wig. I'm not even gonna come upstairs and say hi, so I'm saying hi now, because as soon as I get to the house, I'm making this wig. I'm not even going to come upstairs. I'm going to go ahead and stay downstairs and make the wig, because if I go upstairs, I'm not going to want to make it. I'm probably going to want to sit down and watch TV or relax, But anyway, I told him, I said, look, as soon as I get home, I'm making this wig, and that's exactly what I did. So you guys, it's a body wave texture, which body wave, it almost looks like a roller set, when you have body wave hair. And body wave hair, it just holds curls better. If you like to wear curls, it kind of holds the curls a little better. So anyway, you guys, I came home, made the wig like I said. You see it right here. So I didn't blow dry. Usually, in this situation, when the hair is body wave, I'll go ahead and blow dry the hair out some. But since it's a freshly made wig, I didn't want to do all that. And I know I had my trusty Babyliss iron at the house, I got so many of these things because I used to have 3 locations at one moment. So at one minute, I had like 3 locations, a storefront and 2 salon suites at the same time. So I had to have identical tools at each location, or I would have been like in a bind getting to one location and didn't have no irons or whatever, if you can follow what I'm saying. But anyway, you guys, these Babyliss irons, they're the truth. And I don't use any other iron to press, because to me, any other iron, in my opinion, is a waste of my time, because it would just take too long, in my opinion. I mean, all stylists, we have our own. We all have tools that we like. That's our favorite tool. But this one for pressing, I mean, for me, I wouldn't use anything other than this, because I can press somebody's hair out just going through it twice. And so just passing through twice, and then I'm done. So anyway, I'm just pressing this wig out, you guys. Just stay tuned. It's going to come together. So I made the wig, and I've been wearing wigs for a while. To me, it's to each his own. I try to take care of my own hair underneath. And like I said, my own hair as long as this wig. But anyhow, Oh, I'm gonna put a picture up there. See that picture right there? That's my own hair. So anyway, you guys, now you know what my hair looks like and the length of it. So I'm just pressing through, and of course I'm gonna press through this thing some more because I want it to be straight. And then the reason I'm pushing back from the camera so you can see the wig, and so you see the length of it. And so the reason I'm flat ironing it all going forward is because I'm gonna cut a bang. Bangs are cute. One thing about bangs, when you cut bangs on your own hair, you kind of stuck with them for a while. You guys, my arms need a tan. But anyway, I'm just pulling back from the camera so you guys can see. And I'm going to cut a bang, but I just press everything kind of forward. Got everything coming forward because I'm going to cut a bang. Now, I'm not going to show you. I should have showed you guys on camera me cutting a bang, but I'm sorry. I was just so excited to be able to show you guys, you know, me. I just thought of it all of a sudden. Let me put this on YouTube anyway. For my subscribers. Look, y'all. Look at here. So I cut the bang. Here's another view. I really appreciate you guys. You're such a blessing. I hope you've been well. I hope you stay safe. God bless you.